full-time van life family, and this is part one of tiny kitchen meals. Tonight we're cooking chicken with baby potatoes, creamy mushrooms, creamy leek and spinach. Let's go. So here's the foods we're going to be cooking for this meal. The list of ingredients is in the comments. First we're going to chop up the potatoes, pop them into a pan of cold water, season with some salt and put onto the hob. Next we're going to make a start on the leeks and spinach. Add some butter into a hot pan and slice up your leeks. Make sure that they aren't full of dirt, which sometimes they can be. Then you're going to add some seasoning to the pan and then a little dash of olive oil. In the leeks go, and then you're going to sweat them off. Whilst you're doing that, you're going to start on your mushrooms, peel them and slice them up to whatever size you like them to be. Then when the leeks have started to cook, you're going to add in your spinach, a little bit more pepper, and then you're going to incorporate the spinach into the leeks. Once that all started to reduce down and you can see that the liquids are starting to evaporate, then you're going to add in the cream. Mix that all together and then sprinkle over some nutmeg and let that reduce. Now I add it into a smaller pan because I've only got a limited amount of space. Pop some Parmesan on top and into the oven that goes to cook off. Then in the same pan as what you've just cooked your leeks and spinach in, you're going to pop some more butter and olive oil, a little bit more seasoning, salt and pepper, and then in your mushrooms go. Don't worry, I did pick that mushroom up. I'm going to squeeze some garlic in. Add as much garlic or as little garlic as you want at this point. I did add more, but just for time I haven't bothered to show you that little bit. Give them a mix and then add some cream and grab some fresh thyme and throw that into the pan. And then you're going to let this cream reduce down so that it gets all nice and incorporated with the thyme into a dish and into the oven that one goes as well. Now mushrooms. Potatoes are cooked. I'm going to strain them off, add some butter into the pan. Now this is quite a calorific meal, so don't be thinking this is a nice healthy one. Once the butter starts to melt, you're going to add some garlic in. Now I like a lot of garlic with my potatoes. Season again, salt and pepper, and a sprig of thyme. Give that a mix together so that the garlic starts to cook, and in go the potatoes. Give all that a good mix so the potatoes are nice and covered with your butter. As you can see there, I've got my detachable handles, but we need in a tiny kitchen, and into the oven that one goes, so we've got more room on the hob. Now I'm going to cook the chicken, so olive oil, salt and pepper, and then some thyme. So because I've only got a small fridge, I do need to make sure that I'm using all of the ingredients that I've got, so I don't have lots of different ingredients to cook in each meal. And then the chicken goes into the pan, and then some olive oil over the top and some more seasoning. And then some more thyme as well. You could also do this meal with fish, which really is lovely with thyme. So one of the things when you're in a tiny kitchen that you need to make sure that you do is clear stuff away when you've finished using it. Keep turning the chicken so that it flash cooks all of the outsides of it, and then transfer it over onto your board. What I like to do is just to cut it up at this point so that it cooks quicker and keeps the moisture. Then return it back into the pan and again keep turning it so that your chicken cooks thoroughly. Now it's time to dish up. So spinach comes out first because that stays hottest for the longest. Next to the mushrooms. Looks really nice. And then the baby potatoes. As you can see, we like large portions in our tiny home. And now for the chicken. And there we go. Meal complete. So that's how I cook in our tiny kitchen. So What do you cook in your tiny kitchen when you're on the road?